Rescue 1, Tank 1, Tank 2 on Belle Isle Dispatch. Have reported a structure fire. Belle Isle Fire, Engine 1, Rescue 1, Tank 1, Tank 2 on Belle Isle Dispatch. Have reported a structure fire. Hampton and North Fire, did you require tankers and manpower? Templar, and it's a burn.
Hi, I'm Tristan McCullum. I'm with Blau Valley Fire Department. We've had the firehouse pressure washer for around 5 years now. We love it. We use it every call to clean our fire trucks, our hose. We use it to maintain our fire hall, and we love it, just the ability of it to reach our full fire station and to be able to use it on all of our apparatus.